Hi, it's Anton from Perth Gardens. I wanted to show you this new product from Ego called the Backpack Link, and it's a pretty simple piece of equipment which allows you to take a battery and wear it on your back rather than on the tool. So this is the biggest battery that's currently offered, the 7.5 amp hour battery, and it's a fairly heavy battery. Normally you use that for the lawnmower and things like that require a lot of power. So that big battery will go onto any of the other tools like the blower, but that's going to get quite heavy. So the reason you want to use a bigger battery is to get you longer run time, which you certainly might want for doing something like blowing or any of the other activities you're doing, but it's just too heavy to carry that in your hand. So the Backpack Link lets you take that weight off the tool and onto your back. And then once it's on your back, the power comes through this cord, through this dummy battery, and that's just a case of a battery with nothing inside it. So it's got very little weight inside that. And then that bit goes onto the tool. And then the Backpack Link goes onto your back. All right. Secure the clip here, and that's very comfortable to carry that weight like this. So two main advantages of using this Backpack Link are that we are able to use bigger batteries and get extended run time on any of the tools that we're using, and we've got greater comfort while we're working. So I can use this blower for a much longer period of time, and without taking the backpack off my back, I can take that out of the tool and then put it into my hedge trimmer, line trimmer, or multi-tool for pruning or anything like that. So that's the Backpack Link, a very useful addition if you're in a commercial gardening situation. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos about the Ego battery powered tools.